Well, hi everyone, Matthias Caniglia here again. Today we are going to talk about how to create a custom management pack. For that we have a clean installation of SCOM. Here, as you can see, we have, for example, some alerts, default alerts administration. I'm going to show you that we have our management server SQL 2016 BITC, our domain bitcdc.com, and we don't have agent list, we don't have agent management, we don't have anything. It's a clean installation of SCOM. So today what we are going to do is first of all install our Windows Server 2016 management pack. I have it here in Documents, Management Packs, MP Server 2016. And the first things that I recommend to you is read the management pack guide. Really, read it. There you have a lot of steps, a lot of information about the management pack, what they do, if you have to configure some action account, if you have to know if some override that you have to do, and that kind of things that I think that it's really important to take in mind. Okay, well, the first thing that we are going to do is install our management pack of Windows Server 2016. Accept, click next, click everyone, that everyone have access to that folder. Let's copy and paste that, click next, and install. Once we have it, we are going to go to our SCOM, click on administration. In administration, right click, import management packs, add from disk. Here we click on no, and find our folder. Here we have, and we are going to select all these management packs. We wait for here. Here it say that it's imported, so we don't have to take care of that. We click on install and wait that the import finish. I was going to stop the video right now and continue when all the management packs are imported. Well, now we have our management pack importing, so we are going to close this tab. Go to monitoring, and there you are going to be able to show that we have our Windows Server management pack. Here we are, Microsoft Windows Server, Windows Server operating system, Windows Server state. Here we only have our management server, so here is the health monitoring. We have the operation system events, and we have performance. So now what we are going to do is create custom management pack for that management pack. That is a recommendation of best practices. Every time you upload a new management pack, create a new custom management pack for the overrides. So this way you are sure that you have all the overrides that you do in one only management pack for that kind of, for example in this case, a Windows Server. And if you delete for error, or if you have some issue or everything, you are not going to lose all your shop. Okay, keep in mind that you can't make overrides over a sealed management pack. In this case, all the default management packs are sealed, so this is a good practice. So for that we are going to go to administration, right click again, and here we have create management pack. Here I have some recommendations. A lot of company or the large company really have some procedures that they follow with the names of the management pack, and I think that they are great. What they do is, for example, here we are going to put the name of the environment, SCOM. We are going to go to type dash, and here we are going to give to SCOM a number ID. Why? Because this way we are going to identify our application. So in large companies, they have IDs for every application that they have, for Skype, for SharePoint, for I don't know, SCOM, Exchange, everything. So this is a lab, so we don't have a large number. We are going to put here app 01. And in the other hand, we have to describe what this management pack is going to do. So in this case, we are going to override Windows servers. So here we are going to put Windows Server 2016, and in the other hand is you have to identify when you develop a new management pack or you make overrides. In this case it's an override, so we are going to put override here, and now we are going to click on next and create. Now we go again to monitoring, and here we are able to see our new management pack. It's empty, we don't have any view, and the next step is to create a group for that management pack. What we are going to do is go to authoring, groups, right click and create a new group. Here we are going to follow the same steps that we do for the name of the management packs, and let's check SCOM app 02 Windows Server 2016 override. Now we are going to select our management pack, SCOM app 01 Windows Server 2016 override. Click on next, and here we have two options: put an explicit member or a dynamic member. If we select explicit members, we have to add a server every time we want to that's the override applied to that server. Instead of that, we can use dynamic members and put that the object applied to all Windows servers 2016 that SCOM discovers. So for that, we are going to click on add, create edit rules. We are going to add a Windows Server 2016. Yep. And here we are. Object is Windows Server 2016 computer and true. We are going to click on next. We don't have any subgroups, so next. And we can create our group. You can add here, for example, to exclude member. If, for example, you want to apply the override to 10 servers and one of them no, okay, you can add here in exclude members. So wait that the saving finish, and now we are going to be able to look that our management server was discovered by this group. Let's check. We are going to look for app 01. Here we are, and if we may click here, view group members, is must be there our management server. So here it is, Windows Server 2016. Okay, now we have our group and we have our management pack. What we have to do next is to override something to our new management pack. What we are going to do right now is to override, for example, the logical disk monitor of free space, because I think that it's really too low, the default number of that. So we are going to change scope in monitors. We are going to change scope, view all target. We are going to type Windows Server 2016, clear all, and here we have all the targets that we can do. We have Windows Computer, and here, for example, we have Windows Server 2016 logical disk and physical disk here. Click both, click on OK, and what we are going to do is open here, open entity health, open availability, and here we have Windows Server 2016 disk free space monitor. We are going to do right click, override the monitor for all the object of class Windows Server 2016 logical disk, or we can do that for only the group that we have created. I am going to do that this time. And here we have to enable that, we click here, it's true. We want an alert, yep, we want an alert. Let's check here. We want the monitor is in a critical health state, or we want an alert in both cases, a warning or a critical. We want warning and critical alerts. So click OK. Alert priority, medium is OK. So auto resolve alerts no. Error of threshold. So here we have two options. We can do that for a percent number, or we can do that in megabytes number. In this case, I'm going to change that to okay, error in 10%. Here too, 10%. When I have only 10% of free space in my disk, I am going to have a critical error from SCOM. Generate alert is true, and the warning threshold is going to be 30%. So let's check here, 30%, and here 30%. So we have changed that. It's everything okay. And we have here our custom management pack. We go to apply it. I think that I have to have an alert right now with my disk space in that lab, but we can check that. So that's all for today. I hope that step helped to you, and let me know if you have any question, any issue or something like that. I put there, you can follow me in birdinthecloud.com, or you can follow me in Twitter as Caniglia Matias or Bird in the Cloud. So I hope that you have a great week, and see you on the next video. Thank you for your time.